In-arm wound treatment: remove any dirt or debris with tweezers, cleaned with alcohol. See a doctor if you can't remove all debris. Apply an antibiotic or petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer of an antibiotic ointment or petroleum jelly to keep the surface moist and help prevent scarring. What is the fastest way to heal a wound on your arm? Wounds heal faster if they are kept warm. Try to be quick when changing dressing. Exposing a wound to the open air can drop its temperature and may show healing for a few hours. Don't use antiseptic creams, washes, or sprays on a chronic wound. Antibacterial ointment: a person can treat a wound with several over-the-counter OTC antibacterial ointments, which can help prevent infections. They can also help a wound heal more quickly. One review of 27 animal model studies showed that antibacterial treatments played a positive role in helping wounds heal fast. Tell in comments what tablet is best for wound healing. What antibiotic is good for wounds, and what also polysporin first aid antibiotic ointment. Recommended first aid ointment: it is a double antibiotic containing bacterium and polymyxin B. It helps prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It does not contain neomycin. This is the best antibiotic cream.